In this video you will learn step by step how you can fix the problem where you cannot sign up to WhatsApp due to spam. So one of the main reasons why you will be getting this error is the likelihood is that your phone number will be banned from WhatsApp. So what we want to do is we want to head over to a browser of our choice, and then we now want to search for WhatsApp. Once we search for WhatsApp, you want to scroll down and then you want to click on Contact WhatsApp. Once you do that, you will be on this page right here, so whatsapp.com/contact, and you want to click on the Contact Us option right under WhatsApp Messenger Support. So once we click on this, you will be brought to this page. Now you want to enter in your phone number and email address. So once you've entered in your phone number and your email address, you want to then scroll down and see where it says how do you use WhatsApp. You want to select what you use WhatsApp on. So for me, I will leave it on Android because I use Android. And then you want to enter in this box just something simple like this. So just something really simple like you see in the box right there, and then you want to go down and click on next step. So once you click on next step, you will be on this page right here, and you've got a lot of different answers right here, but if none of these do help you, what we can do is click on send question. Now once we click on send question, what that will do is it will send this form over to WhatsApp, and if you're successful, WhatsApp will contact you and let you know that your phone number is now unbanned from creating accounts on WhatsApp. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.